Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy if you're tuning in once again. So today I'll be showing us how to make Owowo, which is an updated version of what we know as Egusi Peppersoup. This soup is made by the people of Delta State, Urobo people to be precise. So if you want to learn how to make this soup, kindly keep watching, and while you're watching, give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be using for this egusi pepper soup. So I have my blended melon, I have okra here. I like to put okra, I don't want it plain. Anyways, this is how I learned it from my mom. I have dried panla, deboned of course, with dried fish also deboned. I have my blended pepper. I have the pepper soup spice, because you need to actually put pepper soup spice. Then in here I have my crayfish, just to add extra flavor to it. So these are the ingredients I'll be making use of to make today's soup. So let's start. Okay guys, to start with, I'm going to pour in my deboned dry fish. Then I'm going to go in and add this blended pepper. So for this egusi pepper soup, we do not use palm oil to make this soup. No palm oil, just, you can also call it white egusi if you want to, but I've always called it egusi pepper soup growing up. So all I need to do is stir this together just like this. Then I'm going to leave it to boil so the pepper can get cooked. Before then, I'll just go in and put in my crayfish, then also the pepper soup spice. I'm going to introduce this bit by bit because I would not want it to be too much, so it doesn't overpower the food. You will not want the pepper soup spice to be too much, so because too much pepper soup spice can also spoil the taste of the food. So I'm just going to do this, then add a little bit of water, cover up to cook. So guys, the next step is to go in and add the melon paste. Just going to then stir together. Bear in mind, I didn't add additional pepper soup spice because I think the one I have added is enough for me. So all we have to do now is cover this, leave it to boil till it's properly cooked. Then we'll add in our You can always add water to it if you feel it's too thick. That's why I added a little bit of water. As you can see, you can't really see the okra in it, but it is there. Just subtly. I'm going to add more water. Guys, our soup is ready. Just look at that. I'm going to go in one last time and just stir on all angles. And that is it. Within a short while you get your ready prepared soup, and then you can just eat and have fun. Let me know in the comment section what swallow you'll be having with this if you were given this soup, and also leave in the comment section if you are going to try this soup, and when you do try it, come back to this video and let me know your thoughts about it. Until my next video, bye.